Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the washer on your oven door. The reason why you might have to do this is because you were doing another repair and the washer became lost or damaged. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. And keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our oven door. So this screw right here has a washer, as you can see. Screw over here on this side does not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this screw off and I'm going to put a washer on there. So to get the screw off, I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. And we're going to loosen up that screw. You can hold on to the handle from the other side just in case so it doesn't fall at all, because this screw does hold the handle on. And once it's loose, you can tell it will be able to move the handle out of the way and push up from the other side. There we go. Now that we've got the screw out, we can grab our washer. So here's our new OEM replacement washer. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So I'm going to put the washer on the screw here. There we go. So we'll just get the holes lined up here as best as we can, and then feed the screw down through there. There we go. And then we're going to line up the handle so that the hole lines up with the screw, and we'll screw that back on. Once you finish screwing the screw in, make sure your handle is nice and tight, which it is. Close it up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.